So, while we were rebuilding the carburetors on my snowmobile, my buddy spotted something on my muffler that looked like a cut but turned out to be a crack. So tonight, we're gonna fix that. Let's get started. So one of the reasons I got a can is there's that huge crack in the exhaust. We actually thought it was cut. So let's zip this thing off. One, two. Boom. Old and busted. Is there even a gasket in there? Look how dusty that is. I don't think there's a donut gasket in there. Regular spring go. There's supposed to be a donut gasket. Maybe not. Find this. Oh, come on. Sweet. How come I only have 3 springs? I'm supposed to have more. This sled, I swear. So, wouldn't you know it, there was no donut gasket in there at all. And I had like 2 or 3 exhaust muffler springs. So, obviously this thing's been tinkered with once or twice. That's great. I guess I'm gonna go get some parts. Well, wouldn't you know it, I had some luck at the auto parts store. Had to do some of my own work since apparently a lot of auto parts people don't know how to be creative anymore. But it turns out a 2001 to 2016 Toyota Prius exhaust gasket fits perfectly on a 2009 Skidoo MXZ 500 SS TNT. Why is that name so long? Anyways, I'm excited. I got some extra springs. We're gonna try out getting this muffler back in. Let's go. This is actually off of like a 2010 Skidoo MXZ 800 E-Tech, but other than the sensor or probe bung, this muffler is pretty much the exact same, so it should fit pretty well. I did need to adjust the dented end, so what I did is I just put on a 2.5-inch exhaust clamp and cinched the clamp down. Got it pretty much round again. Other than that, the muffler is in good shape and it fits right in there. Nice. Let's get these clips on here. Oops. There we go. This is always fun. Oh jeez. There we go, there's one. God dang. There we go. Sweet. I think I'll be able to just manhandle this thing. Maybe not. Oh, don't turn. There you go. Oofta. I got 3 other springs from the hardware store. all a little bit different because we're missing one over on the front side. We'll just test and see which one fits best. This one is a little weaker, but I figure we could just stretch it out. I don't know, man, that works pretty good. It's under a lot of tension. Got this one. It's got these full circles. He's got the full circles. I have to trim them. That thing is solid, man. I think we have to fire it up. 150 bucks. These things are like $317 brand new. See if this thing starts. That's how you fix a 2009 Skidoo MXZ with Prius parts. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe.